In this video, we're going to learn about greater than, less than, and equal to. When we talk about greater than, greater just means more or bigger, and its symbol looks like part of an arrow pointing to the right. When we're talking about less than, less just means fewer or smaller, and its symbol looks like part of an arrow pointing to the left. When we talk about equal to, equal just means the same. It can also be balanced, and its symbol is two lines, which you're probably familiar with. Here's a few tips to help you remember the greater than and less than sign. Some people like to look at them like they're an alligator that's trying to eat the larger number. You can also think of the less than sign like a squished letter L. Or think about a number line. The less than sign looks like it's pointing to the smaller numbers on a number line, and the greater than sign looks like it's pointing to larger numbers. You could also think about the points on the signs. In this example, 18 is less than 27, and 18, the smaller number, has 1 point on its side, and 27 has 2 points on its side because it's larger. Let's try it out. 37 is greater than, less than, or equal to 45. Well, 37 is smaller or less than 45. So we'll use the less than sign. Remember, the less than sign looks like a little squished L. So you could also remember that the 37 is on the side with 1 point and 45, the larger number, on the side which would have 2 points. You could also think about the less than sign eating the larger number, 45. Let's move on. 45 is greater than, less than, or equal to 45. Well, 45 is the same as 45. Both sides are balanced, so 45 is equal to 45. So we just put the equal sign. What about this one? 71 is greater than, less than, or equal to 45. 71 is larger than 45, so we would say that 71 is greater than 45. The greater than sign is trying to eat the larger number, 71. It also has 2 points on 71's side and 1 point on 45's side. What about 6 plus 8 is greater than, less than, or equal to 17? First, let's solve 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14. So, is 14 greater than, less than, or equal to 17? 14 is smaller or less than 17. This means that 6 plus 8 is less than 17 also. Remember, the less than sign looks like a squished letter L. It's also eating 17, which is larger than 6 plus 8. What about 15 minus 3? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 12? First, we need to solve 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 equals 12. So is 12 greater than, less than, or equal to 12? 12 is the same or equal to 12. This means that 15 minus 3 is also equal to 12. Let's try another. 4 plus 6, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 11 minus 3? Let's solve both sides. 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 11 minus 3 equals 8. So, is 10 greater than, less than, or equal to 8? 10 is greater than 8, so it looks like our greater than sign is eating the number 10. This means that 4 plus 6 is also greater than 11 minus 3. It's trying to eat the larger side. Let's try one more. 13 plus 6. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 8 plus 11? Let's solve both sides. 13 plus 6 equals 19. The other side, 8 plus 11 equals 19 also. 19 is the same or equal to 19. This means that 13 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 11. Great job! Let's review. The greater than sign looks like an arrow pointing to the right. The less than sign looks like an arrow pointing to the left. It can also look like a squished letter L. And the equal to sign looks like two horizontal lines. Great job!